Cells can have predefined formats assigned to them to ensure data entry integrity and visual properties. Select text. From the drop-down, click Currency on the Home tab. This formats the numbers to look like currency with a currency symbol. The symbol may be changed in the Format Cells dialog to any number of country's currency symbol type. For example, we can change it from US dollars to euros. We can also adjust the number of decimal places here if desired. Another option is to adjust to number format. Looking at more number format options, we can adjust the number of decimal places from 2 to 4.